Hello, it's Nick, and in this video I want to show you how AI can guide your design process. I will use Relume AI Builder for that. Relume provides a toolset for Figma and Webflow that helps to go from idea to final design. I will use AI Builder to generate wireframes. Let's provide a description of a website we want to build. I will create a website for a smartwatch that measures blood sugar and blood pressure. Let's leave the default selection for the number of pages and click Generate. AI Builder generates a sitemap in real time, so you can see the homepage already has a few sections. Each individual section on the homepage serves a specific purpose. For example, the Hero section introduces a product. Feature sections tell the visitor more about specific features, such as blood sugar and blood pressure monitoring. And the page also has testimonials and frequently asked questions. At the top we can click on the wireframe, and once we do it, we will see pages AI Builder generated for us. Relume uses the sitemap to generate an actual layout of individual web pages. What makes this tool great is that it also generates a copy for pages. We can change the size of a viewport to see how our page will look on tablet or mobile device. We can also play with the properties of individual sections. For example, changing the alignment of content elements or adding some functional elements like forms. The tool uses components from Relume UI library to generate the layout of this page, and we can click the link to see the component description. If you don't like this section, you can easily replace it with another one from the gallery. Click Replace Component and choose the section you like. The AI Builder will generate a copy for your section in real time based on your original prompt. If you navigate back to the sitemap, you can also play with the arrangement of the sections. For example, here I've changed the order of the sections. The Hero section comes after the Feature sections, and the wireframe reflects this change. Once we finish our design, we can name it and click Export it to Figma. You will need to install the Relume Figma plugin and launch it. In the plugin, we should select a project, and you will see two options: Add Sitemap and Add Wireframe. The sitemap and wireframe imported from Relume are fully editable in Figma, but wireframe import is a paid feature, and you expected to pay $32 per month to access it. If you want to save bucks, you can follow a different approach. Import Relume UI library to Figma and install Relume Ipsum plugin. The Relume UI library is a collection of reusable UI elements that the tool uses to generate web design. For example, here you can see all variants of the Hero section. You can create a web page design using these elements. Relume Ipsum is an AI plugin that generates UI copy for you. Once you launch the plugin, you can provide a description of your project, select a section you want to fill with the content, and click Generate. I hope it was helpful for you. Let me know what you think about co-creation with AI in the comments. Thank you.